Uh-oh. That's right. Wee Wee's been wanting her a ride, so I finally broke down with what was left of my trunk money and got her a ride. Yep, right now it's taking a ride here in the back of the Manland mobile, or the Bubba truck, as we say. It's one of them Huskies. And yeah, that right there is kind of nice and sweet. I say it's brand spanking new, but this is one of them Husqvarnas. This is the YTH 185/42 model. Oh ho ho ho, yeah. Now, well, I just got the Quikrete out of the back of the truck in my wheelbarrow. This is Wee Wee's ride. Now, I got one little problem. How the hell am I gonna get this thing out of the back of my truck?
He-Man, He-Man, He-Man.
Hercules it.
Hercules.
I tell you, they used a forklift and a piece of plywood to pick it up, and we just rolled it on into the truck. So now I guess I gotta use my Manland ingenuity. Now, let me get the rope off of it, and we'll worry about it in just a minute. I tell you, I don't know. Y'all may not be excited about this, but I am. That means I ain't got to cut grass no more. And Wee Wee can get her a side job. Going to see her brother up the road about a mile away. Yeah, she can work it out with the town. She can cut grass on the side of the road as she goes. Yeah, make a little extra spending money for gas.
What's been driving right here to make this rut?
Ain't no telling.
Or is that Reese?
Sure, Reese. All right, here's the maiden voyage. Yeah, backed it down in the ditch. Wee Wee says she's gonna drive it off, but
He won't let me.
I don't think that's a good idea. All right.
I can do it.
You know how to put this thing in neutral? I ain't read the book yet.
Just follow what it says on the gear stick. To release the parking brake, you gotta do this.
Oh,
There you go, let that fall. Now the parking brake is off.
that's for the lane.
That's the parking brake. You gotta let it drop. It drops on its own. Parking brake is now off.
What I thought. Good. Now, that's it. That's the end of the show. Get hung up. These damn pants catch everything.
You're just too big.
Look out, Louise.
Hercules, Hercules, Hercules.
Way out there.
That's the metal part down there.
Oh, this ain't.
No, that ain't.
Damn, you can't grab nowhere on this thing. All right, turn the steering wheel that way. Look out, Reese, you're gonna get run over. All right, now, according to my calculations, everything should clear. That's it. Yeah, let it rest right there.
Yeah.
Now, Wee Wee is going to officially crank it up and drive it off. Whew. And start making me some money.
Where's the key?
Thought you had it.
I gave it to you.
I ain't got no key.
I gave you the key.
You want this key?
Yes.
Oh. The key goes in right here, Wee Wee. Now.
You might be Hercules, but you're not Einstein.
I ain't never claimed to be no Einstein. Especially no Hercules.
Okay, seat's gotta go up.
Hurry up before we get run over by a car.
I ain't even in the road.
Well, good. Well, you know them cars. What do you think that rut right there is underneath you? Let me get this thing off the tripod. Don't need it. Now. How high does the deck go?
It's up as high as it is.
Really?
Yeah.
That ain't much clearance.
It's all the way up, see?
Oh, wow.
It's all the way up.
Huh. Let's Look how close that tire is back there to that there deck. I tell you, that's mighty narrow. All right, go ahead and do it. Watch it go straight to the store. We be riding her lawnmower down there. See ya! She's going to Mr. Cox's. And Reese right behind her, I tell you. Those are 2 peas in the pod. Before you know it, she'll have him trained to drive the thing. And neither one of us have to cut grass. Oh yeah, left me with a truck stuck in a ditch. I wonder if that lawnmower pulled me out.